In your project panel, you can right click and hit Reveal in Finder. However, if you are in the comp viewer, you cannot. You can't see all the options, but it's not there. So in order to accommodate being able to reveal from the comp viewer, as well as being able to assign a keyboard shortcut, because even up here, there is no keyboard shortcut for it. So you still have to kind of do it contextually. We've created this tool that you can use to do so. So just to show you quickly, you install it in the scripts menu, here scripts, not in the script UI panels. And so that once it's installed, then it shows up here under scripts. However, and so we'll just show you here. So if I have it here in the comp viewer and I just select it, then you can see, bam, there it is selected in the Finder. Now, to be able to assign a keyboard shortcut to it, what we're going to do is quit After Effects. And then we're going to go ahead and open the shortcuts file, which let me show you where that is. So here we go. So as you can see here, it's in the user library, preferences, Adobe After Effects. And this is all included in the download, so you can find it. But we're working in CS6 right now, which is 11.0. And so you open that up, and then you're looking for the Adobe After Effects 11.0 shortcuts file, just to show you that in CC, they've renamed the file to include the language. So it looks slightly different, but that would be the file in CC. So, but again, we're working in CS6 at the moment. So you open up the shortcuts file in a text editor. Now make sure that you do it in a text editor and not something like Microsoft Word, because that will corrupt the file. So just a normal standard text editor. And then what you want to do is find something called execute script. So you want to actually do a command find for it. And so here you can see we have it. And the way this works, it's pretty straightforward. The scripts in the scripts folder are in alphabetical order. So this is the first item, second and third, and so forth. So then you can see here that you can assign a keyboard shortcut to execute the first item, second item, third item, etc. Unfortunately, on Mac only, this does not affect Windows. On Mac only, there's a bug that the first item is actually item 2. So if I wanted to execute this first item, I would actually assign it to item 2 here. Now, again, on Windows does not apply. But this could change based on when you add scripts and stuff. So to make it sort of more robust, what I would recommend is that you rename the file. And for example, to make this the first in the list, I'm just going to put an 01 in front of it. So there it is, 01 Reveal in Finder. So you can see now it's the first item in the list. And so now I can assign a keyboard shortcut for that first item in the list. Again, on Mac, it's going to be item 02. And let's say I do Command plus Shift. And now keep in mind the capitalization and the plus and everything needs to be the way these other ones are. Plus R. So the Command Shift R. And then what you also want to make sure is that there isn't another shortcut for the same thing. So I'm just going to copy the whole thing with the parentheses, and I'm going to just look for it very quickly. And it looks like we do have the same shortcut here for Rotate All. I don't use that for Rotate All currently, so I'm just going to remove it. Now keep in mind when you remove it that you leave the parentheses just like that, okay? Again, you can choose whatever it is that you want, and you can see examples of how to set the shortcuts. But anyway, so now I've done that. I'm going to go ahead and save and close, and I'm going to go ahead and relaunch After Effects. So let's go ahead and add the, we forgot to, where did my, there it is. So let's go ahead and add this movie. I forgot to save it, sorry about that. So just so you can see, I'm going to close this Finder window. All right, so now I'm in the comp viewer, and I'm just going to do Command Shift R, and bam, there it is in the revealed in Finder. You can do that also from the project panel, Command Shift R, and there it is.